Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Richelieu number 1014106 kick-down door holder in a silver finish. I wouldn't say kick-down as much as I would say it's a step-down or a plunger style. Kick-down to us, Richelieu being a Canadian company, I think kick-down, and there are some differences in the vernacular, what things are called north of the border and south of the border when it comes to the hardware industry. A kick-down, we'd think of the kick-down style. Plunger type like this, probably wouldn't call it kick-down, but it would certainly fit in the family of those items that would be known as a kick-down style. This is certainly a very petite model. This is the smallest plunger style that I've really ever seen, although it completely emulates the design, construction, principles of mechanics, operation, main parts, steel step, rubber bumper, spring, release portion. Okay, does include screws. That's very nice. Let's take some dimensional properties. A very common question that I get is, will it keep my door open when I have a door closer installed? Maybe. There's also times when it just simply will not. I would think that if you're installing this out onto concrete, it certainly will, but a polished floor or surface, I would say, because this bumper is that type of rubber that's very hard, not very elastic at all, but I can pinch it ever so slightly, which means that, it may not be phenomenal. However, if you have a scenario, a residential application, and you have a couple of spring hinges on a door and you want to keep that door open to let the breeze in, it'd probably work in that scenario. But a regular hydraulic overhead surface door closer on a commercial door, that might be a bit of a challenge. For it to work, I might opt for a proper piece of hardware to keep the door open, like a mechanical door holder that other companies make. Some dimensions. Overall height, about 5 3/16. Overall height of the base on the back side is 4 3/4. Overall height when it's retracted. So let's take some more dimensions. Width on the back, 1 inch. The projection, we can kind of get an idea. Total projection, about 1 1/4 inches. The body itself, about 15/16. As a reference point, from the bottom of the mounting base to the bottom of the tip, retracted, looks like it's 7/16. I give that a full extension. It seems to draw it down pretty substantial. So we were at 7/16? Oh no, what were we doing? Let's get it all the way retracted. Right on, 7/16. All the way into the retracted position, or the extended position, I should say. That gets us out to about 1 5/8 inches. So you got about 1 3/16 of travel of projection. And that's important because you know where you're going to have to be in relationship to the bottom of the door and the bottom of the tip where you're going to install this. Because what will very often happen is you've got an outside door that swings open, but the floor pitches away naturally from the threshold if it's an exterior door. So that 3/4 inch undercut from the bottom of the door, let's just say it's a steel door, to the floor, well, that might get out to 1 1/4 inches by the time you've got that door at 90 degrees. So it's helpful to know exactly where that will come into place. Sprayed aluminum type finish, a die-cast zinc material. Okay, I would not have any hesitation about using this. I don't have any experience with it, but it seems to be very well made. And I would use it on those applications where I didn't have a lot of closing force already set on the door in that sort of position, and I might use it in applications where there was moderate use. Would be what I would say. I sell this to people who have franchises of package delivery services, those stores that you go into and they'll do your packing and shipping for you. And that door gets open and 80 packages go out twice a day. And They seem to work, although this client, he just bought 5, so probably going to keep a couple on the shelf, would be my guess. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Richelieu products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. They have a comprehensive offering of many different things, but most notably is cabinet hardware. If you are in the market for cabinet hardware and you really want to see everything possible made under the sun for you to review before making a decision, they'd be an excellent place to start. That link to the manufacturer's page will get you to their website where you can review all of that stuff. Part numbers can be populated back into our site for purchasing purposes. Any questions on the Richelieu 1014-106 plunger style door holder or any other Richelieu product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.